How you going, everyone? Welcome back to Sensibility and to something different. I have a big fragrance haul and I'm going to do a mini unboxing to showcase I guess what I have in this big haul. A lot of these are testers that I have gotten at a good price through a few people that I know, so I thought this would be quite fun, something different. A lot of these I don't know what they smell like, so we're going to find out together. I will go through some individually, but I'll just show you what I have. Lots of samples: Amouage Interlude, Journey, Material, Dancing Flames, La Perla, got 3 Dancing Flames, La Perla, and these Amouage. So I'll put them in the basket. First one. Robert Puget Bandit. This is the classic of classic. Green Cypre. Smells like old money. Next one. Flores German Street. I don't know what this one smells like. Ooh, smells good. Eau de Parfum. Okay, smells good. Another classy one. This one. Canyon Dreams. I don't have a clue what that smells like, but magnetic cap. That was from Keiko Marashi. And then from Orme, Paris, Papier Carbone. How nice is that bottle? 100ml. Cool wooden cap. This one's meant to smell like paper in a library. Oh, it's magnetic too. Oh, that's the first box. Second box. I'm trying to do this a little bit to keep it within the 10-minute mark. But I will do individual videos on all of these so we can get a bit better of a rundown of what we're smelling. Another Amouage Material. Oh, 2 testers. Another Interlude. Another Dancing Flames. Oh, what's this one? My Day sample. Oh ho ho! Frappin'. Nevermore. This is a tester. What do we got here? This one I think sounds pretty good. Black pepper, nutmeg, ozonic notes, aldehyde, saffron. This one I wanted to get. Vert Empire, Mise en Serre. Mila Ibutrix. Bois de Gaillac Epore. Close your eyes and. Tester. And Marquee Page by Orme. So, big haul. Only smelt one of them Bandit, so we're gonna all witness these together. So tune in for the next few videos. I'll be going through all of this. Have a good day and I'll see you next time.